Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design cast iron base in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it, open SolidWorks. Here we use millimeter unit, so ensure you select in millimeter gram second. And we can see again for this drawing. We start draw from top view from here. So right click on top plane and click sketch. Okay, like this. Now draw line this, like this. With line in here, draw from this point, origin point, like this, like this, like this, and click A on your keyboard, like this, and this. Okay. Ensure this line, click make vertical, and this point click make tangent, this point click make tangent. Okay, now we can to set for dimension for laying this point to this point in 200 millimeter. So click smart dimension, set for laying in 200 millimeter for dimension in here. And for this line we can see for side view this drawing the length in 213. So in here input in 213 millimeter for distance. Okay, like this. Here this line have length in 102 millimeter, like this. And here have radius in 45. So in here put in radius in 45 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this line automatically in 147. Yes. And don't forget in here this center to this line have distance in 83. This point to this line have distance in 83 millimeter. Okay, like this. So after that we can draw line in here until here. So select line, draw from this to this, and click A on your keyboard, like this. Sorry, click line again, this and this. Okay, in here we can click this point, click make tangent, this point click make tangent. Now we can just ensure the center and the center have same, because in here radius 64 and have the same center in here. So click this line, click Ctrl and click this line. Ensure you select in make concentric, like this, and just set for dimension for radius in here in 64 millimeter. 64 millimeter. This automatically for distance in here is 19, and here distance is 19. Okay, it is so simple. And don't forget in here this line and this line in here, you can see the center to this line have distance in 117, but outer circle in here have diameter in 70. So radius, the center to this line have radius in 35. So we can click this line and click this line. For distance is radius 35 plus 117 is 152 millimeter. Okay, it's so simple. In here we can see again 152, because in here 117 plus 35, because in diameter 70 and radius in 35. So we can to plus 117 plus 35. Total is 152. Okay, Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, it's so simple. After that, we can to make hole in here, 4 hole, diameter in 19. So just click circle, draw like this, and draw again in here and here. Ensure 4 hole in here have same diameter. So click the circle, click Control and select other circle, this circle and this circle. Click make equal. Now we just to set one circle dimension diameter in 19, and automatically other circle have same diameter in 19. Don't forget to set for distance in here. This center to this line have distance in 32 millimeter, and in here in 19. Ensure this center and this center. Click Control and click make horizontal. This center to this center of circle, click make vertical. This center to this center of this hole, click make horizontal. And don't forget this center to this center, click make vertical. Okay, and just set for distance. This center to this line have distance in 19 millimeter. This circle have distance in 38 millimeter. 38 millimeter. Okay. Ensure you input all dimension like this for first step. It's so simple. The first step like this. From top view, in here we start draw from top line. After we make sketch like this, just click feature. Oh, sorry, I forget for distance in here. This hole and this hole have distance in 152. So click sketch again, smart dimension in here. This hole and this hole have distance in 152 millimeter, like this. Here. So after that, we can to click feature and click extrude brush or base to export to solid part from this sketch. For selected contour, just click this sketch for first, and direction is blind. Thickness in here in 25 millimeter. So input here in 25 millimeter. Click OK, and click again sketch 1 and click extrude brush or base. Now we can select it contour, click this sketch. For the high in here, this part in here in 101 millimeter from bottom edge. So input in here in 101 millimeter, like this. Direction is blind, and just click OK. Okay, it's so simple, like this. And we can see from front view in here that here we just to make like a cylinder in here. So right click on this plane, right click on this face or surface and click sketch. Now we can draw circle from this edge until this point in here, this edge. Set for dimension diameter in here in 70 millimeter, like this. In here 70, and we can to check for distance. This center to this edge in 117. We can check in here this point to this edge in 117. It's correct. And just click again circle from this in here in your hole diameter in 38. So set for dimension in here in 38 millimeter, like this. And for center automatically in 101 millimeter. Sorry, this center this edge in 101 millimeter. Okay. After you make sketch like this, just click feature again and click extrude brush or base. Now we can click selected contour, select to sketch in here, this and this, and for direction is blend, but we can reverse direction to here. Just click reverse direction here, and we can see for the length for side view in here in 114 millimeter. So just input in here in 114 millimeter for the dip. Okay, just click OK. In here have hole in the cylinder, have hole diameter in 38. Just click also sketch 2. Click again, click sketch 2 in here, and just click extrude cut to make this hole. For selected contour, we can click clear selection. Just click this center hole or center circle in here. For direction, we can change in through all and just click OK, like this. It's so simple. In here, have a rib like this. We just to make a rib, and here we must to make new plane from here to make a rib in here. Just click feature and select reference geometry. Just click plane. For first reference, click this face, and for distance, this edge to the center in 117. So distance in here, offset distance in 117, but direction in here we can to checklist in flip offset. Just click OK. It's just to make new plane. The name is plane 1. Right click on this plane and click sketch. Select line and draw from this point to this point to this edge like this. After that, we can to make a rib with the feature. Click rib. For thickness, ensure you select in both sides, and for rib in here, thickness in 19. Select in here in 19 millimeter. But for direction in here, we can click flip material side and just click OK, and done. We can hide this plane. Right click and click hide. It's so simple, like this. Now to that, we can to make another cylinder in here. Diameter same in 70. So right click on this face and click sketch. Select again circle, draw until this edge. Diameter in here in 70. Same like this. We can in here in 70. We can check for distance the center to this edge in 178. Here the center to this edge in 178. It's correct. And we can to draw again circle in the center. Diameter in 38. In here 38 millimeter. And just click feature, click extrude brush or base. Direction change in blind, and we can reverse direction in here. For selected contour, click this circle and this circle, this sketch and this sketch. But for length in here in 51 millimeter. Change in here in 51 millimeter. Click OK, and click again sketch 4. Click extrude cut. Selected contour, we can delete in here and just choose the center of sketch. Just click OK, and done. Now like before, we must make a rib like this in here. Thickness rib in here is same like this in 19. So we just to make a rib in here. Just click feature and click reference geometry again and click plane. Now we can select first reference in here, this face. Just click flip offset in here, but for distance in here in 178. Just input in here 178 millimeter. Click OK. We just to make plane, the name is plane 2. Right click on this plane and click sketch. Now select line, draw from this to this. like before, to make rib with feature, rib, and in here thickness in both sides, and thickness in 19. The direction is correct, and just click OK, and done. We can hide this plane. Click hide. In here we just to make sketch like this, and don't forget in here not all fillets and rounds in radius 3 millimeter. So we can to search for fillet in here, fillet parameter in 3 millimeter. Just click this edge, click this edge in here like this, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge to this edge, this edge, this edge. We can rotate, select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge, this edge, and this edge, this edge, and don't forget to select this edge, and this edge, this edge, and this edge, and this edge, this, like this, and this, this edge, and this edge. Now we can to click checklist or OK, and done. Now in here have rib in 3 millimeter, and in here we can forget 3 millimeter like this. Okay, we can set fillet again, maybe in here in 3 millimeter and around here like this, and here in round here, and this round like this, and here's round, and this round, and just click OK. Okay, in here I forget for this, just click OK. Okay, after we can make fillet like this, we can to change for material, right click and click edit material, maybe in here in iron, in gray cast iron, apply and close. Okay, I think that's enough how to design cast iron base in SolidWorks appropriate test drawing. Thank you for watching Alien video. I apologize if there any mistake of Alien tutorial. Thank you for watching Alien video. See you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.